How to fix GTA San Andreas and Netflix not showing up on Play Store. First of all, keep holding your Play Store icon. Now tap on App Info. Now go to Storage Usage and tap on Clear Data. Now tap on Delete. Now go back and tap on Force Stop. Now open up Play Store. Now at the top right corner, tap on your profile icon. Now go to Settings. Now tap on About. Now scroll down a bit and tap on Update Play Store. Now restart your application. I hope this should fix the issue. If this doesn't, restart your device and see if this works. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.